A vegetable steamer may conjure childhood memories of bland broccoli or limp carrots, but there are so many ways to incorporate one into your meal prep routine without sacrificing taste. Plus, who said steamed food had to be boring? From dressed-up carrots draped in hot honey butter and quick and easy steamed asparagus to fluffy Chinese baozi and juicy homemade dumplings, there's no lack of creative ways to put a vegetable steamer to good use. Please see the product URL provided below the description. Please follow us on YouTube for new updates. Kitchen Ever present Top 5 Best Small Vegetable Steamer. Let's get started. Number 5. Bella 9.5 Cutie Triple Tier Digital Food Steamer. If you are searching for a vegetable steamer, the Bella 9.5 Cutie Triple Tier Digital Food Steamer review on our list is ideal for you. The Bella 9.5 Cutie Triple Tier Stainless Steel Food Steamer is the perfect and healthy way to cook your favorite foods. This health-focused cooking method shaves off the unwanted calories and unnecessary cooking additives/oils, helping you live a healthier and cleaner dietary lifestyle. The Bella Food Steamer cooks your favorite meats, veggies and grains with one quick twist of knob. Simply pour in the water, set your food in the cooking basket and set the timer. Voila! You will be enjoying your juicy and flavor-packed meal in under 1 hour. What's more, this unit features an auto shut-off feature and boil-dry protection for ultimate safety. By steam cooking, the vegetables are kept as close to their natural raw state as possible while heating through thoroughly. Number 4. Cuisinart STM 1000 Digital Glass Steamer. The next product we have got on our list is the Cuisinart STM 1000 Digital Glass Steamer. Consumers looking for a healthy way to cook will love Cuisinart's new Cook Fresh Digital Glass Steamer. A powerful steam system delivers steam from the top down, surrounding food to cook quickly and evenly. The 5-liter glass cooking pot is large enough for family-sized portions of vegetables, fish, chicken, rice and more, and the steamer's 1-liter water tank conveniently lifts off to fill. Healthy cooking is today's biggest trend, and this new glass steamer from Cuisinart makes it quick and easy. Powerful steam system and glass lid with stainless steel rim. Number 3. Progressive International Microwave Mini Steamer. If you're looking for a small vegetable steamer with Progressive International Microwave Mini Steamer, we create kitchen storage solutions and cooking tools to contribute to a healthier lifestyle while ensuring those solutions are budget-friendly. Enjoy cooking from scratch with products that encourage using fresh ingredients, trying new recipes and entertaining friends and family. Progressive International boasts over 40 years of thoughtfully innovating kitchen products essential to the everyday cook. What began as a small family of housewares products has grown into a collection of unique gadgets and tools dedicated to food preparation and storage. As the kitchen is the heart of the home, our customers remain at the heart of what we do as an organization. At Progressive, our team is continually developing products intended to exceed the quality expectations of our customers. Number 2. Hamilton Beach Digital Food Steamer. More than 3,000 5-star reviews praise the Hamilton Beach Digital Food Steamer for its portability. Use one steaming bowl or stack 2 bowls to steam larger quantities. Remove the divider between the bowls to steam large foods such as corn on the cob or a head of broccoli. Steams delicate fish, lobster, shrimp, clams, mussels and oysters. Includes a rice bowl that's perfect for white or brown rice and small foods. Cooks eggs upright from soft to hard cooked. Digital touchpad makes setting the countdown timer and other functions easy. Switches to warm automatically and alerts you with a beep when cooking time is up. Warm setting runs for 1 hour, then steamer turns off. Delay start timer lets you fill the steamer with produce in advance and begin steaming later. Rice bowl and drip tray are dishwasher safe. Number 1. OXO Good Grips Stainless Steel Steamer. The OXO Good Grip Stainless Steel Steamer are the best small vegetable steamer you can buy this year. Another appeal to this basket steamer over other options is the folding 1.75-inch feet at the bottom. They create a distance between the bottom of the steamer and the simmering water in the pot so food doesn't get submerged. When you're all done, fold the feet for compact storage. Though this type of steamer has a smaller capacity than electric ones, it's ideal for cooking small batches of food and tucking away neatly in small kitchens. When we sent this home for testing, our tester was very impressed with not only the folding feet but also the handle design. There's a small hole for you to slide your fork into, making it easier to remove the basket than reaching into a hot, steamy pot. Both the broccoli and eggs test went perfectly according to familiar recipes, and the steamer can be thrown in the dishwasher afterward. The one caveat was that the handle is plastic. Some reviewers note that their handles melted during use.